has got me curious. This app has got me delirious. This app has got me feeling like I need a fucking exorcist.
See what you talking about. Track. This game got you rondo. Feel like you trapped with the sign.
Alright guys, what's up? Welcome to Mixbreed Entertainment. I'm your host, Big Sassy. And today, I'm going to be showing you how to repair a washing machine. So our washing machine went out, and I'm going to show you that right here, this button for the top here broke, and the switch was going bad, and but yeah, so I had to run to the store, get this piece and the other piece for the door, and we're going to be putting it on today. So I'll show you how to do that. So guys, this first piece is really simple to put on. It just snaps on. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it goes right here. I'm just gonna snap it on, guys. Alright, now that's fixed. Might have fixed it, guys. Might have been all it was. I know this switch is going bad, so we might have to replace it here. Alright guys, so we're going to change that switch out. I got the washer pulled out, got it emptied, and now we're going to have to take this screw out, and there's one on the other side, and we've got to take that out. So I'm going to do that real quick. Okay guys, so we got that. Okay, now we want to take these off here. I'm sure. Okay, so we got that, guys. Now we should be able to just, oops, lift this back. Well, let's unplug this. Alright, there we go. We just unplug that. That just pulls up out of the way, guys. And then we can get to this switch here. And this is the switch that's bad, guys. This one right here. So we got to take this off and pull this out of here, and it looks like we can replace that. So as soon as we do that, I'll let you know. Alright guys, so we got the old part out. Now it's time to put in the new. So it looks like it's just the part itself. So I'm glad that I kept these screws so that we can put this back on, guys. So this right here is just way too long. Yeah, it's like 3 inches too long. That's what she said. So I'm gonna break it off right here. That way it fits, guys. Put the cord back in here.
I have never had far apart. How's it working? I'm not getting any light in them. Kind of, I guess. Clean some of that crap off there. Well, cut it open.
Alright, so we got this put back into place. We got that put back on. This put back on, guys. Now we're ready to put the shell back together. Alright guys, so we got this put back on and this side put back on. Make sure you guys got it lined up on the frame down there and all the way up through here good, because if it's not put on the frame right, it won't go together. And then I'll put this make sure you got this tucked underneath, because if it's not tucked underneath it won't go on there right. And then you got to put your two last screws in there, guys. Alright guys, so we got it plugged up. There we go. Just fixed. Now all we gotta do is just wait for it to go through the cycle, guys. I'll see you in a minute. Alright guys, so it's working just fine. It's going through all the steps. It's turning like it should. It's running like it should. Before, I couldn't even open this. Before, I could open this up and it would still run. Now it stops when you open it up like it's supposed to. Uh-oh. Did I break it? It's working now though. Going through all the steps. It's on a timer. It'll get over there and kick on to the next step. It'll drain all this water out. Get ready to rinse it. If that helps you out, guys, in the future, let me know. Hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button if you made it this far. And I'll see you guys in the next one.
This app has got me curious. This app has got me delirious. This app has got me feeling like I need a fucking exorcist.
See what you talking about. Track. This game got you rondo. Feel like you're trapped with the signs do. Some things I believe, some things might need that scene that I yo. But try me, that's what you pay me for. Let's talk about it. Got a pen and the paper, let's rap about it. Got a mind that's open, let's talk about it. Yeah, try me.
I know it sounds crazy, it's supposed to be a game to me. Now something's stalking me. Feel like somebody watching me. From the shadows all I see. From the shadows, all I see. From the shadows, all I see is high beams.
Interesting. Can you explain the visions of the shadows that you see? What you mean? I don't judge, boy, I don't scheme. I'm trying to help, boy, can't you see? Multiple personalities, what I'm thinking. 1, 2, 3.
Anyways, I was playing the app dog the other day. See the white van creep up on me, eh? I was at the pinpoint looking for a bill with a face on it. It was about 11 or 12 something. Found a letter with some blood on it. Tried to call the police, but they said I was stoned with it. I'm so high, blowing them demons, vaping B.
Vaping me, feel the devils chasing me. Chasing demons, judging me. Pass that shit, fuck this paper, show me it. Don't act like I be scared, cause I ain't it, yeah, I ain't it. Wanna see what you see, pin it. Let's ride, let's go peep it. Let's go peep it, let's go peep it. Let's go peep it, let's go.
Ring around the rosy, to the pin we go. See the rose out here are lonely, the cold demons on me. Ashes to ashes, we all fall down.
Wait a minute, now hold up. Wait a minute, now hold up. Where everybody go? I'm walking alone, I'm out here. It's spooky as hell, I'm out here. Ain't no one to tell, hear voices like welcome to hell. Trying to find my patient, but gone like a spell. Walking and walking, I'm talking. Walking and walking, they watching. Walking and walking, they stalking. Drift on my shoulder, they flocking. Forcing my ears, it's mocking. Forcing my ears, it's mocking.
I always feel like I always feel like I always